Join me as I put the Amazfit Balance 2 to the test and see if it really lives up to the claim of being the ultimate fitness tracker for athletes. The Amazfit Balance 2 is designed to cater to the unique needs of athletes, offering advanced features that help track fitness progress with precision. It's not just another fitness tracker, it's a comprehensive tool that monitors various aspects of an athlete's performance. For athletes, one of the biggest challenges is getting accurate and comprehensive data on their workouts and recovery. Many traditional fitness trackers fall short, either lacking key features or being too cumbersome to wear during intense activities. This often leads to frustration, as athletes can't get a clear picture of their progress. We've all been there, struggling to find a tracker that can keep up with our active lifestyle. Some devices are too bulky, while others sacrifice functionality for the sake of style. And then there are those that just can't seem to provide reliable data, no matter how hard you try to calibrate them. Traditional trackers also tend to focus on basic metrics like steps taken or calories burned, but they often miss the mark on more nuanced aspects of athletic performance. This can leave athletes feeling like they're flying blind, without the insights they need to optimize their training. The result is that many athletes end up feeling like they're not getting the most out of their fitness tracking devices. They might as well be using a basic pedometer, which doesn't exactly help when you're trying to fine-tune your performance. The Amazfit Balance 2 steps up to the plate with its advanced heart rate monitoring, allowing athletes to track their cardiovascular performance in real time. This feature alone can be a game changer, providing immediate feedback on how hard you're pushing yourself and helping you adjust your intensity on the fly. GPS tracking is another major selling point, offering precise distance and route mapping during outdoor activities like running or cycling. No more wondering how far you've gone or which route you took, the Amazfit Balance 2 has got you covered. Battery life is also a significant consideration, and the Amazfit Balance 2 delivers on this front as well. With a battery that can last several days on a single charge, you don't have to worry about your tracker running out of juice in the middle of a critical workout. But what really sets the Amazfit Balance 2 apart is its holistic approach to fitness tracking. By combining multiple metrics and features into one device, it provides a more complete picture of an athlete's performance and progress over time. I'd like to share a personal success story that really drives home the effectiveness of the Amazfit Balance 2. A fellow athlete I know was struggling to improve their marathon time, despite putting in hours of training every week. They started using the Amazfit Balance 2 and were amazed at the level of detail it provided. With the Amazfit Balance 2, they could see exactly how their heart rate was responding to different types of workouts, and adjust their training accordingly. They also used the GPS tracking to optimize their routes and avoid burnout. The results were nothing short of remarkable. They shaved off several minutes from their marathon time and felt more confident than ever in their training. It's a testament to the impact that the right tools can have on an athlete's performance. The Amazfit Balance 2 isn't just another fitness tracker, it's a comprehensive training partner that can help athletes achieve their goals. By providing detailed insights and reliable data, it empowers athletes to take control of their training and push themselves to new heights. In short, the Amazfit Balance 2 offers advanced features, precision tracking, and a holistic approach to fitness monitoring. It's an essential tool for athletes looking to optimize their performance and achieve their goals. If you've had any experiences with fitness trackers, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment below and let's get the conversation started. Also, be sure to check out my other video on the latest fitness technology trends. Amazfit Balance 2 Smartwatch 47mm AMOLED sapphire glass display, offline maps, dual-band GPS, 21 days battery, 170+ sport modes, HYROX, and golf mode, heart rate and sleep tracker for Android and iPhone. Built for performance and style, the sleek aluminum body and 1.5 inches durable sapphire crystal glass screen of the Balance 2 smartwatch offer a premium, resilient design, while dual speakers provide clear audio cues during training. Train longer without interruptions. With up to 21 days of battery life under typical use, you can power through every workout, adventure, and routine with less time spent charging and more time focused on performance. Precision meets passion. Train across 170+ sports with advanced multi-sport tracking, including industry-first official HYROX training and competition modes, downloadable maps for 40,000 golf courses, and professional-grade scuba diving support. Industry-leading GPS and offline maps, Balance 2 can accurately track your every move with dual-band support from 6 satellite systems for fast, reliable connection. You can also download free maps and get turn-by-turn directions. 24/7 health monitoring. Monitor your energy levels throughout the day while the advanced sensor and algorithms ensure precise, real-time monitoring of heart rate, sleep quality, blood oxygen, and stress, plus recovery metrics like HRV. Pro-grade waterproofing, with military-grade endurance, 45 meters diving certification, and 10 ATM water resistance. Balance 2 is with through deep dives, water workouts, and extreme temperatures and conditions. Cut through the noise. When workout mode is active, distracting notifications are silenced so you can stay focused. Need something mid-session? Zepp Flow Voice Assistance lets you check real-time stats, start or pause activities, or access key features instantly. Engineered as a premium multi-sport training partner, the Amazfit Balance 2 empowers driven professionals and athletes to push their limits across every discipline, from running and strength training to golf, scuba diving, and beyond. Combining elite fitness tracking, intelligent wellness insights, and next-level versatility, Balance 2 is built to optimize performance, recovery, and everyday life. With its sleek, durable design and powerful ecosystem integration, it adapts seamlessly to every goal, helping users train smarter, recover better, and come back even stronger tomorrow. Pro-grade waterproofing, freediving and scuba diving modes. Certified for diving to a depth of 45 meters, the Balance 2 is ready for all your freediving and scuba diving excursions. 10 ATM water resistance and military-grade endurance means there's no need to hesitate when things get intense. Golf mode with course maps. With maps for 40,000 courses worldwide available, Balance 2 gives you the full and round golf experience, from seeing the distance to green, hazards, hole layout, last swing metrics, and more. The Amazfit Balance 2 smartwatch is a remarkable combination of advanced technology and sleek design, tailored for fitness enthusiasts and professionals who seek the ultimate training partner. With its striking 47mm AMOLED sapphire glass display, this smartwatch not only exudes a premium feel but is also built to resist the rigors of an active lifestyle, thanks to its durable aluminum body. The dual speakers provide clear audio cues, enhancing the training experience. This impressive smartwatch allows users to train longer without interruptions, boasting an extraordinary battery life of up to 21 days under typical usage, which means less time spent recharging and more time dedicated to workouts and adventures. Engineered for versatility, the Balance 2 offers advanced multi-sport tracking that encompasses over 170 sports, including industry-first official HYROX training modes and downloadable maps for an extensive selection of 40,000 golf courses. Whether you're swinging clubs or diving deep, the watch includes professional-grade scuba diving support and is certified for depths of up to 45 meters, ensuring it can withstand water workouts and extreme conditions with its 10 ATM water resistance and military-grade endurance. The dual-band GPS capability provides accurate tracking by connecting to 6 satellite systems, allowing users to navigate with confidence through offline maps and turn-by-turn directions. Moreover, the watch continuously monitors health metrics, including heart rate, sleep quality, blood oxygen levels, and stress, accompanied by recovery metrics such as HRV, which contribute to informed wellness insights. When it's time to focus, the workout mode silences distracting notifications and the Zepp Flow Voice Assistant allows for easy access to real-time stats, activity controls, and key features without breaking concentration. This state-of-the-art smartwatch is more than just a fitness tracker, it embodies a holistic approach to performance optimization and recovery, seamlessly integrating into everyday life to help users train smarter, recover better, and push their limits across a wide range of disciplines, from running and strength training to golf and deep-sea diving, ultimately paving the way for stronger, more resilient individuals.